Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Coming at you this afternoon with a gorgeous 1970 Ford Torino GT. Now, this car is a 429 engine. It originally was an N-Code 429 Thunderjet engine, but now it has a 429 Cobra jet engine. Now, this car is a factory 4-speed, 429 4-speed Torino GT, black in color, white interior, beautiful car. The paint, body, interior in this car is second to none. This car is absolutely gorgeous. The body's nice and straight. The paint is very nice. The undercarriage is super solid. It has all the looks you could ever ask for. It's got the Magnum 500 wheels. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TA raised white letter tires. It's got the shaker hood on it. It's got power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, which is a rare option. Hideaway headlights. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Interior is very nice. Like I say, the exterior, interior, everything about this car is just super. I love this car. Matching spare rim and tire. Very nice inside the trunk. Jams are very nice. Oh, excuse me. Rear window louvers. Open up the door here so you can see. The glass in this car is very nice. Check out the jams, sill plates. Check out them jams. Interior in this car is very, very nice as well. 4-speed factory center console. Radio even works in this car. Dash is in good shape. Headliner looks great. Dome light works. Apologize for the little bit of sun glare we have going on there. Right now, it seems like there's not a real great time of the day to take pictures and videos. It just kind of is what it is. It is a built 429 engine, 460 crankshaft. It's 40 over, it's balanced and blueprinted engine. Dual point distributor, 9-inch rear end, 411 pos track, 31 spline axles, top loader 4-speed, Super Cobra jet intake, double pumper Holley carburetor, high volume oil pump, Lanati cam and lifters, roller rockers, poly locks, 3-angle stainless steel valves. Just a beautiful car. As far as I know, the last owner told me that they reset the odometer back to 0 when they rebuilt this car. So 300, looks like it's got 344 miles on it since it was restored. Parking brake works. Wipers work. This car is a, pardon my language here, but it's a running son of a bitch. The stainless trim, bright work on this car, very nice. Chrome bumpers, very nice. Headlight doors, all 4 headlights are working. What a gorgeous, gorgeous 70 Torino GT 429 Cobra jet, 4-speed, steering, brakes, air. How could it get any better? Black car, beautiful car. Give us a call, Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy sell and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this 70 Torino, give us a call, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. Feel free to give us a call, talk to us anytime, or if you have something to sell, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your collector car. And please share and like all of our posts and videos, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great car like this. These cars don't come around that often, especially ones that are of this quality. I really appreciate everyone watching my videos. I hope you all have a great weekend. Happy Friday, everybody. Talk to you soon.